Hello everyone. Today, let's understand why some computer chip stocks are staying strong in a choppy market. First, let's talk about what choppy means. A choppy market is like a bumpy boat ride on a lake. Prices of stocks move up and down quickly, and there is no clear direction. Investors feel uncertain. Usually, when the market is choppy, people get nervous and sell their stocks. But right now, certain chip companies seem to be holding their value. Why does this matter to you? Computer chips are the brains of modern life. They power your phone, your car, and even your refrigerator. Because these chips are everywhere, the companies that make them are very important to our economy. Let's define a stock. A stock represents a tiny piece of ownership in a company. Think of it like a slice of a pizza. If you own a slice, you own a part of the whole pizza shop. If the shop does well, your slice becomes more valuable. Here is a household example. Imagine your home has a smart thermostat that adjusts the temperature automatically. That device needs a computer chip to think and act. If the company making those chips is successful, it is because they provide something that almost every home needs. What is the effect on ordinary people? When chip companies stay strong, it often means technology is advancing quickly. We get better tools, faster internet, and more efficient appliances. However, if chip prices rise, the things you buy, like new laptops or cars, might also get more expensive. That is how the market hits your wallet. For investors, this is a topic worth watching. Some chip stocks are staying strong because these companies have a competitive advantage. This means they make something unique that nobody else can make easily. An investor might see this as a sign of stability. But remember, the market is unpredictable. Even a strong company can lose value if the overall economy slows down or if they face new competition. This is a possibility, not a certainty. Here is an important point to remember. Stocks are risky. Just because a stock is staying strong today does not mean it will do the same tomorrow. Prices change based on news, global events, and how much people are willing to pay. Never put money into the market that you need for your rent or groceries. In my opinion, it is wise to focus on the long term rather than worrying about daily bumps. When you see a choppy market, try to look at the big picture. Are these companies building technology that people will still need in 5 or 10 years? If the answer is yes, that might be why they are staying strong. But always do your own research before making any decisions. To summarize, chip stocks are currently in the spotlight because they provide essential technology. While the market is moving up and down like a bumpy boat ride, these companies are holding their ground because their products are in high demand. Keep in mind that stocks always carry risk, and market conditions can shift quickly. Always stay informed and keep your financial goals in mind. You for watching. Subscribe for more useful finance information. Thank you for watching.